How to fix GCash app declined your payment. So the first thing you can try is make sure your actual GCash card is unlocked. So just go back to the card section in your GCash and just press on unlock card if it is locked, and try going ahead with the process of payment again. But if that's not the case, you're gonna make sure that you actually do have enough funds for doing a purchase. Since when checking your wallet balance and limits, you're gonna ensure that GCash wallet has enough funds to cover the amount you're trying to pay, even to the actual cent. There might be extra fees as well, so check for that as well. So if you check, if you've hit your transaction limits, like your daily or monthly send and receive, especially if your account is not fully verified, that may be the problem. You're gonna have to wait until the monthly goes over. But another reason is because of your internet connection or app version. So make sure you're updated and you have actual good connection, since bad internet can cause glitches or errors with a payment. So you could try switching on network or connections to see if it will work. But most of the time, trying again with your payment if you do have enough funds will potentially just fix itself with the problem. But those are pretty much the only options you have for now to fix the decline your payment in GCash. So hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.